Hello, my name is Amit. I'm a product specialist at Verkada, and this video will cover Commands Audit Log, a tool that captures all user and device activities that occur within the platform. Audit logs track system access and tie each action to a user. Events such as user login and CRUD operations, changes to organization, sites and groups, device access and configuration changes, and Verkada support actions are all tracked within the logs. To access your command organization's audit logs, navigate to the Product menu, then Admin, and click on Audit Logs in the Privacy and Security tab. Command offers a highly granular filter that helps significantly cut down the time required to investigate an event. Users can filter by date range, specific event types associated with each product, aimed at a particular user, device type, site, or by serial number. You can also specify a date range within which you want to filter for events. For example, if you wanted to look for when changes were made to a camera's audio settings, you could choose Camera Audio Changed event type, specify the date range, and see results for all cameras within the org that had their audio settings configured within the specified period. You could also add additional filters, such as the serial number of the specific camera, or narrow down the search to just one user. You can also export the filtered view by clicking on the Export button on the top right corner of your page. A report of the filtered logs is sent to your registered email address. For more information on audit logs, see the help article linked in the description. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have more questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.